Hello my creative friend, Olga Sobi here and welcome to new fluid art tutorial. Today I want to try something different for my color palette. I want to go for a completely monochrome color scheme here. So all the colors that I have prepared here on a table are variations of single color, phthalo blue. So every single color is phthalo blue with some white or with some black or with both. Off to a really good start. Okay, this is good. It's coming together really nicely. And I have never worked with this specific color palette. I am in the mood for something different because usually I go for a lot of contrast between my colors, but today I'm working with a single hue and want to achieve contrast within all these variations of this single color. Let's see how it turns out. So without further ado, let's get started. Trust the journey is a secret message for this painting, and today I'm working on 20-inch diameter round canvas. I have pre-painted the sides and they're already dry, so one thing it's very important to do if you pre-paint your sides, let them dry for at least a couple hours before you start pouring your fluid acrylics. And let's start layering this color. So the first one here is the main hero of the show. This is phthalo blue, so this is just a pure color without any other additions. And because my color palette is going to be pretty dark and some of the colors are going to be quite desaturated, I want to go for oceany, but more like stormy, oceany mood for this piece. Of course, with some lighter pops of other colors. And of course, I always have certain plan for my composition and layout, but when I'm adding the colors in such a way, this is just a purely intuitive process. Okay, so next one here is phthalo blue mixed with some black. So very dark shade of this color. Too much dark in the center. Okay, so that was shade. Now let's add some lighter colors. So this one here is phthalo blue with white. And I have mixed all of these colors from one, just with phthalo blue, black and white. But you can, certain colors you can buy pre-mix. For example, this one is very close to sky blue or king's blue. Different brands call them differently. The dark one is close to Prussian blue, so it depends. But for this time, I decided that I'm just gonna mix all the colors from scratch. This color here is mix of phthalo blue with black and white, so with gray color. And it's a tone of phthalo blue, and you can see that next to phthalo, it's a little bit more desaturated. I think having a few of more desaturated colors will help me achieve very beautiful diversity in this color palette and contrast within the same hue. You know, I have one more color, actually two more colors to go, but before I add them, I want to add my white. So this is just pure titanium white. I like this sort of a mosaic of colors. Looks pretty cool so far. Definitely one more. I'm gonna do the blowout, and all these colors will have some nice cell reaction. Of course, all the colors are mixed with my new recipe. Okay, so two more colors. This one I want to add very, very little of. So this is phthalo blue, but at this time it has a lot of black and white. So this one is going to be the most desaturated color in this palette. I don't want to have like a super lot of it, just few sections here and there. And I do see that it's already quite a bit of paint on my canvas. I should not add a whole lot more. So one last color. This is also Phthalo Blue, but by different brand. It's different brand, it's different group. And I think having it in this palette will give me a nice, interesting effect. Do you see some air bubbles here and there? I actually want to tilt a little bit before starting the blowout, just to move colors a little bit closer to the edge. And I don't need to bring it all the way, because when I'm gonna be doing the blowing, I will push the paint towards the sides, but just to help it a little bit initially. Okay, that's better. Let's go. Perfect. Off to a really good start. Of course, I love all this vibrant cells and lacing reaction. It's not going to be left as such a blob because I'm going to be overlapping all of these colors. But I like the cells and lacing reaction, and that's what happens due to layering that I teach in my course, Fluid Art Mastery. Check it out if you haven't heard about it. And I also really like how these colors working together and how they influence in each other when they're over mixing. So, okay, let's keep on going. I really like it so far. It's like clashing waves. Even this addition of this grayish, almost gray phthalo blue, I really like it. I think it really adds depth to this color palette. It wouldn't be the same without it. And how amazing you can create such a diverse, such a striking palette with just a single color, with single hue and some black and white. I didn't manage to have almost all of my white, mainly in the center. I don't know if I like it though. I think I wanna maybe add a little bit of white right here and maybe change this up a little bit. Okay. Okay. This is good. Okay, that was not a good move. I think I want to redo this a little bit. Now I love it more because white is a little bit more, I would say, evenly distributed, but although there is structure to it, so much going on here. Can't believe I haven't worked with this palette before, it's so good. A little moody, but that's how I feel it today. Do you feel like I want to make this section, this white, go a little bit like this? But you know what? What really gives depth to this artwork? It's this neutral, but also this mix of phthalo blue with black. These darker areas worked out perfectly. It's coming together really nicely. Kind of know what I have planned for the next step after this pour is dry, but I'm not gonna spoil it to you just yet. I think I want to add a couple finger swipes to enhance some of this movement. I love it even more now with all the movement and dimensions and overlapping, and yeah, can't wait to see how it dries and do one more embellishment. I want to add something else to this artwork, so I will see you in a second in the next step. Alright my friend, the painting is dry and I am ready for final embellishment, which will be a silver leaf at this time. If you have been watching my videos for the past year, you know I use gold leaf a lot, like I love gold. But for this monochrome, blue, stormy ocean, I really didn't feel like gold, but silver instead. I think it will work absolutely perfectly with this palette. Tell me, are you team silver or team gold? What do you like to use more in your own art? Also, if you would like to learn more about the product that I'm using today and how to use it, you can download my free guide, Golden Touch. I know it's about gold, but the silver that I'm using today is the same, it's just a different color, so this guide will be just as helpful to you. And after my silver embellishment, I want to touch up some of those lines to make them cleaner and crisper, and also to give this artwork a bit more dimension. And I'm using my regular fluid acrylics for that, of course, the same exact colors that I used for fluid painting itself. And voila, here is this piece fully done and finished. And if you would like to get a more immersive learning experience with me, I invite you to my Sobi Art Academy, where you will find comprehensive online courses and amazing free resources that will help you polish your fluid art skills and get more masterful with your art. I will include the link for you in the description and also in the first comment below this video. And in this wavy ocean painting with a touch of moon in the silver lines, I really love the dimension and the movement that I was able to achieve with such a simple color palette. I still cannot believe it. And by the way, this piece is available for purchase on my website. Tell me, would you like to see more monochromatic palette ideas? Let me know in the comments below, and of course, let me know what you think about my outcome today. I would love to hear from you. As always, I will chat with you in the comments below this video. Have a wonderful day, create with passion, and I will see you next Saturday. Bye bye!